Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim.
In the gentle embrace of a mountain-fringed town where stone paths shimmered under the golden sun, lived Amina, kind-hearted, quick-witted, and never seen without her signature burgundy scarf and oversized glasses. She had grown up in this quaint village, where olive trees whispered ancient stories and the mosque's call to prayer drifted through the air like a lullaby. But in recent years, Amina had sensed a quiet distance growing between neighbors, Muslim, Christian, Jewish, and others, once close, now cautious. Amina, a Toastmaster by heart and soul, believed in the power of the spoken word and the shared table. So one crisp morning, she stood outside the small whitewashed mosque at the edge of the old bazaar, a basket of fresh dates on one arm and a determined sparkle in her eyes. With the blessing of the Imam, who fondly called her our village's ambassador, she began planning the first ever Lanterns of Unity, an evening of interfaith harmony. The plan was ambitious but tender. An evening at the mosque's garden courtyard, where people of all beliefs would gather under strings of glowing lanterns, sip warm mint tea, and share stories from their faiths that spoke of peace, compassion, and the dignity of difference. She visited the local church and synagogue, gifting each place a lantern wrapped in a silk ribbon. "Let's light these together," she said, "so our town glows with friendship." Children from all backgrounds painted the lanterns, stars, doves, verses from holy books, while elders contributed traditional recipes. Amina's mother made spiced lentil soup, and her Christian neighbor brought honey-drenched pastries. The Hindu auntie down the street added sweet masala chai to the mix, saying, "Spice is the soul's laughter." On the night of the event, the mosque courtyard bloomed with light and laughter. There was no podium, only a circle of chairs, stories, and song. A rabbi shared a tale of kindness from the Torah. A priest recited the Beatitudes. Then Amina stood and recited a line from the Quran. "O mankind, we created you from a single pair, so that you may know one another." Surah Al-Hujurat 49:13. Tears glistened, hands clasped, and hearts softened. By the end of the evening, the villagers no longer saw their differences as walls, but as vibrant threads in a shared tapestry. The mosque had become more than a place of worship. It was now a lighthouse of unity. And as the final lantern flickered under the stars, Amina smiled. "This," she whispered, "is the true call to prayer."
Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim.